Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making homemade Thousand Island dressing. This dressing, guys, takes only 5 minutes and a little chilling time in the fridge. Is budget friendly, far less expensive than the store-bought, and it tastes amazing, guys. It's great as a salad dressing, a condiment for burgers, sandwiches, or fries. The flavor for this dressing develops when you refrigerate it for a few hours, so try to make it in advance if you can. Also, guys, why buy store-bought when you can make your own? You need to try this recipe. So let's get started. Let's get right into the ingredients. You are going to need tomato ketchup. You are also going to need real mayo. You can either use real mayo or avocado oil mayo. They both work good for this recipe. We are also going to use white onion, not yellow onion, guys. You are also going to need sweet relish. We are also going to need Hungarian paprika. I love it, guys. I love the sweetness of the Hungarian paprika. We are also going to use black pepper, sea salt, but you can use kosher salt, guys. We are also going to need white vinegar. And here I have finally minced white onion. Now combine all these ingredients in a small bowl. Mix until well incorporated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. Yummy.